Perch. Perch are small striped fish with spiky fins. They live in groups in lakes. They sparkle when the sun hits their scales. Eels look like long, slippery snakes. They can live in rivers and the sea. They swim in a wavy motion and travel far to lay eggs. Sturgeons are ancient fish with bony plates on their backs. They can grow very big and live for many years. They are gentle giants of rivers. Piranhas are small but have sharp teeth. They live in groups in South American rivers. They love meat but are usually shy. Electric eel. Electric eels can make electricity. They use it to find food and protect themselves. They live in muddy rivers in South America. River stingray. River stingrays are flat and round like pancakes. They hide in sand at the bottom of rivers. They flap their fins like wings. Clown knife fish. This fish has a long body and shiny silver color. It moves gracefully backward and forward. It lives in calm rivers and lakes. Arowana. Arowanas are large, shiny fish that jump high to catch insects. They are graceful and look like dragons. People think they bring good luck. Gouramis are colorful fish that breathe air from the surface. They build bubble nests for their babies. They are gentle and pretty swimmers. Tilapias are calm, flat fish that love warm water. They eat plants and help keep rivers clean. Farmers raise them in ponds. Ducks have flat bills and webbed feet. They float on lakes and love to dive for food. They make cheerful quack-quack sounds. Geese are big birds with long necks. They live by rivers and fly in a V shape in the sky. They honk loudly to talk to each other. Swans are elegant white birds with curved necks. They glide smoothly on lakes. They often stay with one partner for life. Herons are tall birds with long legs and necks. They stand still by the water waiting for fish. They can fly gracefully with wide wings. Kingfishers are small birds with bright blue feathers. They dive fast into rivers to catch fish. They love sitting on branches over water. Cormorants are black water birds that dive deep for fish. After swimming, they spread their wings to dry. They are great underwater hunters. Snakeheads have long bodies and big mouths. They can breathe air and move across land for short times. They are strong river hunters.